Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this movie, I want to show you how to copy a custom Excel table style from one workbook to another. The sample file that I'm using is copy table style, and you can download it using the link that I provide in the video description below. In this workbook, I have an Excel table. You can see it here, and I have created a custom Excel table style. And on the Home tab, if I click Format as Table, you can see the custom style that I created under the custom group at the top of the gallery. In previous versions of Excel, you could copy a table and then paste it into another workbook, and it would carry the custom format along with it. Unfortunately, that no longer works. So you need to send the entire worksheet that contains the Excel table for which you have created the custom style to another workbook to copy the table style with it. So let's see what that looks like. I don't have another workbook created, so I'll need to create a new one. To do that, I will right-click the Sheet 1 Sheet tab, and then click Move or Copy. I don't have a target workbook open, so I'll click the To Book control and click New Book. That will create a new workbook as soon as I click OK. I need to copy the worksheet because I only have one worksheet in the current workbook and you can never go down to 0. So I will check Create a Copy, click OK. And I have a new workbook. And in here, I have my Excel table. It has the formatting applied. And if I go to Format as Table, I'll see that the custom Excel table format has come along. I hope this tip has been useful to you. If it was, please like the movie and subscribe to my channel.